Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products that look good on my acne texture skin and last all day. And in today's video, I'm going to test a new eyeshadow palette, and I have the new eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. This is the new Empowered eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I have a new eyeshadow palette to test for today's video, but before that, I want to quickly do my makeup with some of the makeup products that I like at the moment. And for my foundation today, I'm going to use this Chanel Water Fresh Complexion Touch that I really like. Lasts very well on my skin and look very natural. And I have this foundation in the shade B10. And for my concealer, I'm going to use this SEPHORA Best Skin Ever Concealer, and I'm also going to use it as my eyeshadow primer. And to set everything in place, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in the shade Porcelain. This powder is not very finely milled, so I have to be very careful and apply a very thin layer of it everywhere. But if I apply too much, my face will look cakey. And for my blush and bronzer, I'm going to use these two, this PRISME LIBRE blush in color 1 with this Hourglass bronze light. I really love these two. I've used these before on my channel, are great, good quality and very long lasting, so I want to use them again in today's video. I want to quickly mention that I have this bronzer by Hourglass in a travel size version. So if you are curious to see how are these bronzers by Hourglass, I definitely recommend to grab one in a travel size version because there's a lot of product in here. So one of these will last you a very long time. And to finish with the complexion products, I'm going to put on a little bit of highlighter, and I'm going to use this baked highlighter by e.l.f. in the shade Moonlight Purse. Next, I'll move on to my eyes, and I'm very excited because I have a new eyeshadow palette to test for today's video. And I have the new eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. I have this Empowered. So this is the new eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. This is how the box look like. Let's open this to see how the eyeshadow palette look. Gorgeous color story. I see something for every day, but also something for a night out. These gold glitter shades look amazing. And here we have some of the gel colors that can be used as eyeliner. And if you watch my videos, you know that I really like to use a deeper color from an eyeshadow palette as eyeliner. But now that I have something like a gel. I'm very excited. So I'm very curious to see how everything from here swatches. So I want to swatch everything first on my hand to see how is the texture, how are the colors. And I'm going to start first with these three because I'm very curious about the texture of these three from here. So this is how these colors look swatched on my hand. I have to say that I'm very impressed about how they swatched. They are very creamy and pigmented, but also very interesting texture for some of them. I love all of the glitter and metallic colors. And also these two from here that are gel, they are incredible. And I also love this color. I don't think that I've seen something like this before. So I'm definitely very excited to try everything from here. Next I'll move on and use these colors on my eyes. I don't know what I want to do, but I want to use everything from here. So we will see. I want to start first with this one all over the eyelids. This is called Big Dreams. These Big Dreams matte color look amazing. If I apply mascara, I'll be good to go. It took me like 10 seconds to blend everything, so so far I really like this one. Next I want to use this winner. Okay, very pretty matte colors, this one with this one. I think these two for everyday are just gorgeous. For the lower lash line, I want to use something else, and I'm going to start with this one on my lower lashes. This is Rebel. And next I want to use this Confident on my lower lashes. I'm going to use my fingers and apply this one all over the eyelids. Like, okay. Next I want to use a little bit of this Limitless over these bold moves, like in here. And on my lower lashes I want to use this wet shimmer from here. This is called Manifested. The texture of this one is very interesting. It's like a wet glitter, but I have to say that it's very easy to use on the lower lashes because there are no fallouts. So so far I like this one. I want to go back and use this Confident in here, like on the outer part of my eye, to deepen everything there. Next, I'll move on to the part that I am the most excited about, and I am going to use one of these two as my eyeliner. I'm very curious to see how are these two over these crazy glitter colors, if they are pigmented enough to be used as eyeliner. I think I want to use this one first, and maybe if it's not pigmented enough, I'll go with this one on top. This is called Worthy, and I have this stiff angled brush that I like to use for eyeliner. This is the finish with the color Worthy on. I'm very impressed because it's very pigmented and could definitely be used over these glitter shadows without any problems. So I really like it so far, but I also want to use this one on top just to see if I could make the line more intense. This is called Purpose. So far, I've used this one, and this one. So I'm going to use this Charisma on my inner corners, and I think that's everything for now. I think that's everything with this eyeshadow palette for now. I've used as many colors as possible. And next I'm going to apply mascara, and for my mascara today, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever, the Professional. And this is how the eyes look with this mascara on. And on my lips I'm going to use these two, this L'Oréal Paris lip liner with this lip injection by Too Faced that I've used for the first time in my last video. I've also used the Too Faced Better Than Sex in my last video for the first time. After my last video I've used these two again, and I have a little update for you. I have to say that this Better Than Sex eyeliner is very long lasting. I don't really like that it's not crazy pigmented, so I could use this over glitter shadows, but I like that it's great for every day. The color is pretty soft, so I like this one because it's very easy to use, and I find it very long lasting. And about this lip injection by Too Faced, I think my lips look bigger when I have this one on, but I don't see that this one is doing something to my lips. So it's a nice gloss. So I'm going to quickly apply these two on my lips, this L'Oréal Paris with this gloss over. So this is the finished makeup look. Final impressions for my new eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty, this empowered eyeshadow palette. I'm very impressed how good quality all of these colors are. I have to be very light-handed with these glitter shadows from here because they are very pigmented, and a little goes a long way. Like, I barely touched this, and crazy pigment. And these three from here are definitely not for every day, so keep that in mind that you will not be able to use this for every day because the glitter is very chunky and nothing soft in here. Maybe this one from here that is more wet can be used for every day. I don't know how is this one from here because I haven't used it, but I will definitely test in my next video. I love that there are so many matte colors to choose from. There's something for everyone to use for every day. They are very pigmented, gorgeous, they blend very nicely. And I also love that we have these gel colors that can be used as eyeliner. So I think this eyeshadow palette has everything that I need in here to take this one with me everywhere on a trip or something like this. I'm of course very curious to see how long lasting are these gel liners, if they will smash throughout the day. So I will definitely test these colors and update you about the wear in my next video. But for now I have to say that and I really like this eyeshadow palette, and I'm very excited to use it again and create something else with this one. So if you like this color story, I definitely recommend you to grab this eyeshadow palette because it's crazy pigmented and very good quality. So it's another good eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. But that's everything for today. Please let me know if you like the finished makeup look and what other makeup products would you like me to test next. I would love to know. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!